Okay. We're going to arrest Butcher on a charge of wounding with intent. One problem. We have to keep Roberta out of it. So that immediately removes the complainant and the victim. So who will say Butcher stop?
Sir, Butcher know who him stop. Me feel like him supposed to learn a lesson. And the fact that them always try to put the law in a few them hands. Here we are gonna do now. Put him in one of the halfway house then. And just tell him say that are the best we can do for him. If he don't want it, him going to jail.
So, she put me in the toilet and you want to come flush it. I can't just put him in a halfway house without proper documentation and all that. And how the hell am I going to explain that? Unless you think King would have like a roommate?
Consider the circumstance, he surely would.
I'm not too certain that I like the two of you in the same place at the same time, You need to understand the delicacy of the situation. If you don't handle it carefully, this agency might implode and you might be buried under it. I need you to remember our reasons for taking criminals off the streets and trying to reform them. If we are not in a position to at least attempt that, it don't make sense to exist. And I don't really intend to take them off of the street just so them can end up in a hospital with a knife wound, or worse still, the morgue. So I want you both to put that in your pipes and smoke it whilst I deal with this shitstorm.
Thank you very much, sir. A written report will be on your desk by tomorrow.
Try and make it tonight. Okay, you guys can go. Well, Tonya, what you can do tomorrow is stop in at the law library and look up the book that deals with accessory before the fact. It's an excellent read. It'll teach you a thing or two about exposure.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes?
I have a request.
Oh no. Let me guess. Who you want me to get out of jail so you can get them stabbed up this time?
I would like us to interrogate the two scammer them.
I wonder why. You've done your part. You brought them in.
One of them knows me by name.
That means it's personal. I'm not too certain I want you close to that if it is.
Sir, if this young man knows anything about me, my cover would be blown. So please, let me talk to him.
Forget the danger of you two being acquainted. You've been spending too much time with Andre. And you just going to stand there? I don't blame you for being like that, because you're responsible for her now. I'll let you know later today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I never told you yes.
Thank you.
have I brought up